In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR code in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma. Have the frame or artboard ready where you want the QR code to live, maybe on a hero section, a product mockup, or a footer. It helps to leave a little space reserved so the code has room to breathe and won't crowd nearby elements. Next, right-click anywhere on your canvas and move to the Plugins menu. Then click Manage Plugins. This takes you to Figma's plugin management area, where you can quickly find and launch tools without leaving your file. Think of it as your control center for extending Figma's native features. In the search bar, type QR Code Maker. This is the tool we'll use to generate a vector QR right inside your file. Make sure you select the plugin with that exact name so you get the one designed for creating codes directly on the canvas. Open and run it. A small panel will appear, usually docked on the side. This is where you'll set up the content and look of your QR code. It's simple and focused, which makes it quick to use during a design session. In the input field, paste your URL or type the text you want embedded. Keep in mind, shorter URLs create simpler patterns that are easier to scan. So if you have a long link, consider a shortened version before you proceed. Now customize the appearance. Choose a dark foreground color for the QR modules and a light background color for contrast. You can match brand colors but avoid combinations that are too low contrast. Like pale on pale, since scanners need a clear difference between dark and light. When you are ready, click the Generate QR Code button. Figma will place a vector QR code onto your canvas. Because it's vector based, you can resize it freely without losing sharpness, and you can fine-tune colors afterward by selecting the shapes and updating their fills. Position it where you planned, give it enough clear space, and keep that strong contrast in place, so it scans instantly on most devices. That's it. Thanks for watching.